Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together.
Farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
1,
The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o,
2,
the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the
3,
child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
4,
Child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
5,
The nurse takes the cow, the
A,
nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow
B,
takes the dog, the cow takes the dog, hi-ho the
C,
dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
D,
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat, hi-ho the
E.
dairy-o, the dog
Let's
takes
learn
the
some
cat.
color names.
The cat
Red
takes the
color,
mouse, the
orange
cat
color,
takes the mouse,
yellow color,
hi-ho
blue
the
color,
dairy-o, the cat
green
takes
color,
the mouse.
pink color, purple color, brown color.
The mouse takes the cheese,
1,
the
one
mouse
baby
takes the
arrives.
cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese
2,
stands
two
alone,
tiny hands
the
hold.
cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the
3,
cheese stands
3 sweet
alone.
kisses given. 4, 4 cozy blankets wrapped. 5, 5 flowers bloom.
Round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round.
A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry.
The wipers on the bus go
C is for clock. It tells you the time.
swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the
D is for diamond. See how it shines.
wheels on the bus.
E is for elephant. Bigger than me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.